Hey everyone, James here with a Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch. We're gonna be replacing the screen on that. That's the new screen we're gonna be replacing it with. Don't forget to turn off the device, make sure it's not on. Okay, we're gonna use the heat gun to heat up the screen. If you're gonna be replacing the whole screen, you don't have to worry about it too much, but if you're gonna be replacing something else, just follow the video. Take your time to try to take it off. Yeah, move the heat gun around, don't hold it in one spot, just keep moving it until you can feel that the screen is really hot, so you can take it off. We're gonna use the blade to try to pry up the screen. Be careful if you're not gonna be replacing the screen so you don't crack it. Don't be afraid to use more heat if you have to. Once you see the screen is coming up, you can use the card to go underneath the screen. Be careful, there's a cable on the bottom, so we don't mess up that cable. Be careful with that. And if this is your first time replacing the screen, I would suggest you watch the video first before you attempt the repair. If you look underneath, you can see the cable. Okay, there it is right there. So now let's finish taking off the screen. There you go. So be careful with that cable, it's connected. Okay, flip the screen over like this so we can disconnect the cable. Remove that little tape. Just use the plastic pry tool to disconnect the cable. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna switch the parts from the old screen to the new screen. And the black tape also from the sides, we're gonna put them into the new screen. Use a little bit of heat so we can take that little piece out, the part. Don't use too much heat though, so you don't burn the thing. Okay. Now we're gonna reconnect that cable. Okay, before we apply the adhesive double-sided tape, we're gonna connect the cable so we can test the screen, make sure everything is working before we apply the tape. Okay, now let's turn it on. I had to charge it first because it had no charge. If you have to, charge it so we can test the screen. Okay, the touch is working. That's a good sign. Okay. Okay, we can turn it off now so we can apply the adhesive tape. Be careful when disconnecting the cable. You don't want to mess up that little piece. If you do, that's gonna be a big problem. Okay, once we're done applying the adhesive tape, now remove the covers. Okay, reconnect the cable. Okay. Now place it down, press from all sides, move it around just like you see on the video. Make sure you sit all the way down. You might want to be pressing it down for like a minute or two to make sure you're sitting all the way down. Make sure there is no gap from the sides. Make sure it's all the way down. If you see any gap, well, you might have to take it out and we do it again. Okay, awesome. Okay, we're gonna test it one last time to make sure the touch is still working. There's no glitch, anything like that. Okay, the camera's working. That's the back one. That's the front camera. So both of them are working, so that's good. And touch is working, so that should be it. Thank you for watching. Please share the video, like it, comment underneath, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Thank you.